What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another cocktail, and today we are going Scottish. So this one, it is called the Highland Satire. One thing I like about this cocktail is the electric blue colour, so it's a nice summer vibe, but with a Scottish twist, especially as it gives me an excuse to try this brand new Johnny Walker Double Black blended Scotch whisky. Now, I've never had this and I can't wait to try it. It gives me the perfect excuse. But if you like your flag cocktails or anything with a bit of colour, this is perfect for Scotland. So let's get straight into it. So it's going to be a dry shake and then a wet shake afterwards. So it's going to be 2 shakes to give it a nice big foam. So let's get straight into it. So let's build this cocktail. So the first ingredient into the tin, my friends, is 50ml or 1.7 ounce of Scotch whisky. Next, 20ml or 0.7 ounce of a blue curacao. Next, 20ml or 0.7 ounce of fresh lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Last but not least, 50ml or half an ounce of sugar syrup or simple syrup, depending where you are from. And now 1 egg white. Now put your lid on and give it a shake for 10 seconds. Now put in your ice cubes. Now give it a nice wet shake. And now give it another hard shake, now 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chilled. Now this is a little bit of a sneaky peek. So if you ever don't have enough, what we're going to do is do a second shake. So we'll put in a bit more egg white, so this is sneaky. So what we're going to do is now give it another shake for about 30 seconds, so that will give it a better foam. Get your coupe glass and strain into it. The final thing to do now is to strain it with the lemon peel. And there we go, my friends, one Scotland Satire. Doesn't it look absolutely fantastic? I will just show you a close up. Look absolutely foamy. That's a beautiful Scottish cocktail. Cannot wait to try that. And there we go, one Scotland Satire. Cannot wait to try this Scotch cocktails, because this is absolutely fantastic and it represents Scotland very well. Because it's got the colours right and I cannot wait to try it. Cheers everyone. Now, if you like your Scotch whisky, I would recommend this. Because a blended Scotch whisky, it's not as overpowering as your more stronger ones. Like this, it's blended, it's a little bit weaker. It's not as strong like as some of them are. So it's certainly a quiet taste. Like with Ardbeg, for instance, that is a very strong tasting Scotch whisky. This Johnnie Walker is not as bad as that, but this is really lovely. I really recommend it. And if you're Scottish, I would recommend it. It's beautiful. Or if you want to try different national cocktails, then I recommend this one for Scotland. This is a Scottish Satire, and I will see you guys for the next cocktail drink. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and mix it for more cocktails video like this, and I will see you guys for the next one. Cheers.